I hope everybody had a blessed day. I want to start by giving Fansideas a huge shout out for giving me the opportunity to customize my jersey however I want it. So in the front we have Sacra Flames because this is my brand name. We have the number 25 since it's 2025. So I have that stitched on the front, on both shoulders, and on the back. And then on the back, we also have Blossom, because you guys already know that's my name. It's Lamaya Blossom. Hey. I also got a picture of myself, you guys, and it's stitched. So you don't have to worry about it coming off. You guys can wash it, wear it however much you want, and it will not get damaged. So definitely make sure you guys go put your order in on fansideas.com. You guys can choose whatever color you want, whatever photos you want, whatever logos you want, whatever numbers you want. It's up to you. So make sure you guys go to fansideas.com and use the discount code Cherry10 for a 10% discount. I love you, friends, and have a blessed night.